I'll show you what a mad scramble looks like in a minute. I throw some rolls out there. The goats, the chickens, and the dogs will all be diving in it together.
Oh my gosh, look at them. Look at them. There. There.
Everybody together, watch. All right, here we go. Look at that. Here we go. Hey, butt the chickens out of the way.
I didn't know a goat would butt a chicken. Whoa! I think the dog is at the top of the food chain.
He is.
Whoa!
We're going to see what we can do with a couple of these there. Come on.
Look at that chicken and goats together.
Yeah. When they bite it and leave little remnants, the chickens get it.
Ain't afraid of that dog.
Now that's a Scooter out there eating the shucks.